SRB USD supports instruction that includes leveraging digital for deep learning and innovation. To support the online learning space, we have developed this list of approved digital learning tools that is shared with the community. This list is published on the website. In order to support the continuous advancement of leveraging digital, we need your support to ensure that students continue to have access to the digital learning tools according to current California privacy agreements. On October 23, 2023, Google will be making some changes to its privacy policies around third-party apps that utilize Google Single Sign-On. What this means is that any student under 18 that is asked to log in to a digital learning tool with their San Ramon Google account will be blocked by default. Some things that the Innovation and Transformation IT support team for San Ramon are working on in order to plan for this change are we will automatically go to the approved digital learning tools and include an app, authorize those applications. Secondly, the team will be seeking authorization from highly used digital tool vendors. We have a list that we have pulled from the admin console that shows what staff is highly using, and from that list, we are working with vendors to approve those tools. And the third thing that we are doing is inviting staff to partner with us on letting us know which applications they think that they would like us to review in order to seek approval. Staff is invited to fill out this form, and the form is inviting staff to think about all the steps that we need to consider when we choose a digital learning tool to use with our students. The first thing to do when you fill out the form is to ask yourself, what is the tool, and then what is the data privacy policy? You can find that on any website. Are students being asked to sign in with Google in order to access this learning application? If they are, then they will be, by default, not have access to the tool unless we have approval. The IT department will be looking at the tools submitted to the Google form before October 9th and work with vendors to approve as many as we can. The process for working with vendors requires that the vendors sign a DPA that they are going to agree to be keeping the student data private. This process can vary on the timing depending on how invested the vendor is in working with the team. After October 9th, we will share out with the community a new and approved list for San Ramon approved digital learning apps, and we will prepare for the changes on October 23rd.